Edo State Commissioner for Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development Isoken don present 1,037,344,581 naira 74 kobo only to Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki as the ministry generated revenue for 2023 as they match the 1 billion mark. Commissioner for Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development Isoken tok say dem hit the 1 billion mark of revenue and say belle sweet dem for the support wey the governor dey give dem and say e go hard for another person to come the ministry come do less because dem don set standard.
Hit the 1 billion mark in revenues. It's going to be difficult for somebody else to come and do lesser because we have shown what is possible. And you have encouraged us to keep going.
Oga Obaseki tok say the ministry don show say dem get ogbonge people and say the ministry workers need encouragement to work better than before and say crossing the 1 billion mark na just the beginning. He tok say Edo State government need to get data of who they build sake of say outside the revenue dem need the data to plan and say the ministry don do well.
And you have shown that it is really possible because look at the people you are working with. I know they can do magic. I know what they are capable of doing, but just that they have not been encouraged to work this way before. Crossing the 1 billion mark is just the beginning, because I know the potential that you are sitting on in that ministry. Because when you are flying into this city alone, that is when you understand what is going on. The rate at which people are building is scary, it's frightening. Apart from just the revenues, I think it's important that for us government, we should also have the information. We should have data. Because people are building, the human beings are going to live there. We have to provide services to them, isn't it? But we don't know. We don't even know that they are building. So beyond the revenue, I believe it is the fact that you need that data to plan. And my hope is that we'll be able to capture everybody that has a dwelling or a piece of property in Edo State, so that we have it on record that you live there. And then we will now give you the clearances or the approvals to do what you need to do. This morning we're talking to a community, and that's the same thing we told them. So I just want to say that this is the beginning. You're doing well. You have done well. But I know you can do better.
Make una no forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.